Hello folks, this is my new Handlebar Risers. Pretty good quality. Looks very nice. Came with a little cover for the bolts and then 4 bolts. Stay tuned for the video. In this project, we want to use 1/4 inch ratchet, 3/8 ratchets, Allen wrench, and then 13mm socket, 25 T25 Torx, and of course the Risers. This is the brand, this is the part number. You want to take it out of the GPS mounting. It's got like 2 bolts, one on the left and one on the right side. In this case, I'm gonna use rope ratchet. That way I can hold the handlebars. Now we're gonna remove these 4 bolts. Now with the 13mm socket and the ratchets 3/8, we want to remove the handlebars main bolts. Now we can raise it up. As you can see in these handlebar risers, they have letters. Of course, the left for left, and then the R for the right. So we want to put we want to install the left, the bolts, and then the right side. Same thing. Okay, now we have already installed the risers. So now we want to lower down the handlebar. And then we can align the handlebar. And now we have the handlebars risers, as you can see right here. Alright, that's it for today. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.